Video. Today we are going to solve subtraction in a linked list. In this question we are given two linked lists and they represent two integers. See, linked list 1 represents 100, 100. Linked list 2 represents 1 to 12 and subtraction difference of both of them is 88 and that is what we have to return. Remember that we have to return this difference in a linked list form, in a node form. Okay. Again, in example 2, linked list 1 forms 0063 which is 63. Okay. Linked list 2 forms 710 710. Difference of both of them is 647. Okay. So it's not that we have to subtract linked list 1 from linked list 2 or vice versa. We have to subtract smaller one and larger one. Okay, so I will solve this. So even though this question is given a hard question, a hard level question, I will solve this question using list and you will think that it is pretty easy to solve. Okay, so first of all I'll create two linked list, two empty list, one and m2. Now I will traverse through the linked list one. Now while L1 means while there are elements in the linked list one, while linked list one is not absent, is not. Okay, development L1 dot data, L1 equals to L1 dot next. Okay, we appended the element of particular node of L1 in the num1 list and we just traversed forward in the num2 in the list. Okay, now I will do the same thing to store the result of list 2 here, L2 dot data and L2 is equals to L2 dot next. Cool. In this way we have stored the elements of linked list in a list. So again here also the number will be in form of 1008812. Okay, now we have to convert this list elements to the integers, but we cannot directly convert. We can, but I will take the root of string. I'll convert both of them in string first. For I in num1 string I. Okay, cannot use join method over here because the elements in the inside the list are integers. Okay, for I in num2 and 2 plus string. Now here we have elements in the form of n1 holds 100 and 2 holds 12. For linked list 2, L1 will store 63 and L2 will store 710 rather than 710. Okay, now at the end I'll just store the result. Absolute difference, we need absolute difference, integer n1 minus integer n2, integer n1 minus integer n2, and at the end since we have to return the result in node format, we'll just convert the result which we have calculated in line 20, line 19, we just convert it into a node and just will return it. This will do the job. Let me submit it. Yeah, it did the job. It did the job in pretty less time. Okay, it did the job in pretty less time. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.